Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up the installation of Windows 11 if you have registered for the Windows Insider Preview. So if I go to my Start menu, let me just go to my Start menu and I will show you that I'm still using Windows 10 on this device, but I've registered for the Windows Insider Preview. Let me just maximize this, and if I go to Update and Security, and I go to the Windows Insider program, you can see that I have registered for the dev channel, and it says Windows 11 build earlier in the development cycle. So we're the first to access the latest Windows 11 build. So if I go back, but I'm still not receiving Windows 11. So what you need to do to actually download and install Windows 11 is to click check for updates. So your device is going to check for updates and then download Windows 11 if it is available. So my device is still checking if there are any updates on this device. So mind you, it may take some few minutes for everything to check. So you can see after trying to check for the update, it found the Windows Insider Windows 11 Insider Preview, and it started downloading it and some other updates, of course, which you can see the downloading is just about 100% and it goes very fast. So right now it's going to take some time for the Windows Insider Preview to be downloaded and be installed. So this may take like up to I think 1 or 2 hours before the Windows Insider Preview can be fully downloaded and installed. So I'm doing that actually on a test device just to show you if you've not received the Windows Insider Preview and you've registered for the dev channel. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumb up for taking my time to create this video. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.